Today I will be teaching one of the world's easiest card tricks. What's going on, everybody? What's happening? What's poppin'? What's good? Welcome back to the channel. I've done so much magic on this channel and I haven't taught very much at all. So I thought today, why not teach you guys something? I can recall doing this magic trick literally like 10 years ago. I remember teaching it on one of my old YouTube channels. Should we run the clip? Maybe we should run the clip. Run the clip.
So first off, I'd like you to pick any card out of the deck.
Yeah. My voice was that high at one point. I know, crazy. I'll show you the trick and then I'll go ahead and teach it to you and you guys can go out and practice it and amaze your friends and family with it. Make sure to subscribe down below and hit that thumbs up button because it does help out with the algorithm. Let's get on into the trick. Alright, so the cool thing about this is that you can use any deck of cards for this. It could be your friends, it doesn't matter. You have them pick out a card, okay? So they could pick any card out, they take it out. Let's say this one, make sure you got it memorized. And also you can allow them to put it back anywhere in the deck, okay? Doesn't matter where they put it, but they can put it literally anywhere. And you tell them you're gonna find their card without even looking, okay? It's gonna be really quick, so watch. Just like that, now look. If we go through the cards, you'll actually see that there's one card that turns over and you take it out and you show them that it's their selected card. That's the trick. Let's get on into the tutorial. Literally, here's the only thing you have to do to set up. You take the deck of cards and before you show the trick, you take the bottom card and you turn it the opposite direction as all the other cards. Let me move us down here. If we go through the cards, it's the only card at the end turned over. Okay, so the bottom card, that's your setup, that's it. So literally just turn over the bottom card and you're ready to do the trick. You allow them to take out any card, but you definitely don't want to go too far down because a lot of times people like to take the bottom card. And let's say that they see this for some reason. You don't want to freak out and get all uncomfortable like, you ruined the trick. No, you don't want to do anything like that. What you want to do is you want to just kind of stay calm and go, oop, that's the wrong way. Just play it off, make it look like you didn't even see it and just turn it over and go on. Or you can have them take it and move on to a different trick. That's probably what I would do. But what you want to do is you just spread the top cards, making them seem like they have a whole bunch of options, and they'll usually just take one of these. Okay, so as they take it and they're looking at it, that's when it's a good time to turn this deck over in your hand without them looking, okay? So as they're focused on this card is the perfect time to turn the deck over, all right? So now what you've done is you have the deck set up like this with just the bottom card turned over on top. So it looks like this is the top of the deck. You allow them to take this card and place it anywhere in the deck, but as you do that, you want to hold a nice firm grip because you don't want, this to like pop out like that and it kind of, flashes. You don't want to flash it, that'll ruin the trick. So you hold it nice and tight and allow them to place it anywhere in the deck. If you don't feel comfortable to allow them to take it and place it anywhere, you can take their card back and just set it in somewhere yourself. Okay, so you put it in. So here's basically how you finish off the trick, all right? You put the deck behind your back and you say, I'm gonna find your card, all right? As you do this, what I like to do is I kind of push off this bottom card with my thumb and use my back to flip it over, all right? So you put it back to normal. If you don't want to do it with one hand, you can actually just use two and say, all right, I'm gonna try to find your card without looking, all right? And basically what you're doing is you're just taking this bottom card and flipping it back over to normal. So then, when you take the deck from the behind your back to normal, you get to go through and show that there's one card in the deck turned over and that's their selected card and you can freak them out and blow some minds. Just a little recap, the bottom card's turned over. They can take out any card in the deck. You don't want to spread too far, but they can take out any card. As they're looking at the card, you take the deck and you flip it over in your hand. You allow them to place it anywhere back in the deck, making sure that you hold nice and tight so you don't flash any of the cards. They push it in. You say, I'm gonna find your card, put it behind your back, flip over the bottom card, snap, do whatever you want to do, and when you bring it forward and go through the deck, you can show that there's one turned over card, just like that. And that's it. Woo! I hope you guys enjoyed that trick. Definitely go practice it and show your friends and family. With that said, guys, make sure to hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed. Check out some of my last videos where I blew some minds on Omegle. I've also done tons of street magic and other stuff if you haven't seen those. Let me know in the comment section below if you want to see any more magic tutorials, and I'll definitely do some for you guys. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Peace out.